guys, I wanted to get on here and share with you a video that I'm doing. It is, my son is having a Fortnite party and I'm trying to implicate this cake right here. I have already baked the cakes and I have my fondant. I have a new fondant box if I need it. I have black fondant, food colors, flour, some of the toppings for the cake that I'm gonna do. Start rolling out the fondant into, I'm gonna try and do this. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get this shape right, but I'm just gonna kind of like cut something out similar to it.
Hi.
It's Eli, the birthday boy. He's turning 6. Well, he turned 6 already, but his party's tomorrow.
Yeah.
You can help me?
Yeah.
Hey guys, I wanted to hop on here and finish the cake that I started last night. So today is party day and I have the cake right here. It's not perfect. I might go ahead and put a little bit of water on there just to get rid of that flour residue. But I think it came out really cute. And the things that I have for it is this piece that I made last night, which I'm probably gonna put some water on that as well to get it, but I won't do that until after everything's set up. So I have this piece. This was perfect for his party. It's the dynamite birthday candles. And then he wants me to put on these characters to here. Hoping you can see this, you guys. And then the llama. Okay, I did the cupcakes and I'll show you. I actually purchased these. I did pick these up. I ordered them on, I'm not sure if it was Etsy or eBay. Just put those on top of the cupcakes. Okay, so I have my clear piping gel for exactly how I'm going to put everything right now. So it came out really cute, you guys. Look at that. Do you like it, baby?
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna have to keep pushing this back. I'm gonna go ahead and set this in the fridge so the piping gel can harden. And then I'll come back and show you guys how I put these,
Mama.
the little wafer cookies. I mean, it's not a big deal. You just put one on each cupcake, but I'll show you the process on how I do that. But I'm gonna go ahead and stick this in the refrigerator, and I will be right back. Okay, so Eli is right here. He wants to show you all of his little Fortnite characters he has.
So I have this guy, which is this guy, whatever his name is. This guy, that's scary. Some like characters. And I've never seen this guy in Fortnite at all, but he's here. And I don't know what's his name. So let's get that guy right there. These guys are like matching actually, but this guy is not the same. So I have this guy that's an angel, but don't know what's his name either. My favorite one, Marshmello. The marshmallow looks so yummy. He's so cool. What? And I have Skull Trooper. And my sister's right here. And I have this guy.
I think this one right here.
And here's this girl that has a gun.
Well, can I get this one?
And here's this guy that is Fresh. This guy, his name is Fresh. So, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. So, bye-bye.